Hello, my beautiful people from Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe and press the notification button. Thank you. One love. Bye bye.
Greeting from Barcelona to you guys. Good morning. Good morning, my darling. Good morning. Just a quick one, a short video. All right. Let's quickly talk about Lolo outfit. Lolekia. And Lolekia Biane, not be Lolo, because she don't have for we are there. Lolekia outfit was really good though, okay? The dress was simple, and it was so beautiful. To me, it's elegant, you understand? You know one thing about dressing, right? Everybody have a taste of his own dressing. There are people that dress casual. Some people that will just dress like very, very normal. You understand? And that kind of occasion, I don't really think what she put on was really bad. It was okay. It was beautiful and elegant. You understand? So I will give some more to Sister Philo, right? I think Sister Philo is her name. I'm pretty sure. I'll give her some more. So, but first, before I will talk to Sister Philo, let me take you back to my last video, the one I did about this Kate, where she was coming from a party. You see, this is what I was talking about, right? Our people, they don't like to copy good things. They always like to copy the bad one. I'm sure so many positive things have been said on media before. None of them. Good morning, my darling. My beautiful Sisi. What's up? How you doing now? Easy, mommy, yo. I greet you. Good morning. Our people don't like to copy good things, right? You see this dressing of 18, and I will call this up now for Facebook. How people, I don't understand how you go to a party. The only thing that will interest you, the only thing, yeah. All right, Mama, I appreciate that. The only thing that will interest you is how people put on their dress. Their outfit is the only thing. Hi, Mama. Pastor Max to you is on there. Yeah? Okay. The only thing that will interest you is what people put on. Good morning, my darling. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. This is what I was saying last time. Oh. This is what I was saying. It's all the apple sumo now. You understand? You go to party. Imagine Sister Philo who put on how would they describe that cloth where she wears herself? No, yeah, Bernard, why did they wear go down? Wait, how would they describe that cloth where she wear? And she's comparing herself with someone who dressed real good. This is wrong, oh. It's wrong. If you have beef for someone, if you have someone in your mind, come straight, okay? Come straight, not pass corner. May we Lolekia not be say Lolekia good or Lolekia not good. But when somebody see truth, suppose more they talk. Lolekia ma ye bet Lolekia outfit was so beautiful. She looks good on that outfit, and I love it. You understand? Our people know they like to copy good things. Now, how to bring people down, negative things. This is what they like, and it's very bad. It's high time we need to start, because how you feel about other people, so your life is going to be. If you always feel negative about people, you will also be that negative person. You guys just don't know this. This is what I was saying last time. You go to someone's party, somebody invites you, or a show whatsoever. The only thing that interests you, that party is what somebody put on. It's totally wrong. You never even relax from the party where you come from. You quickly come on media to talk about what the person dressed. We all have eyes. We watched that video. We saw what everybody dressed. At the end of the day, it's not what you put on that is important. It's your person. I always say this. What you put on does not count. We always get this whole thing wrong all the time. People will go to party, you'll see and $1 where they spray. Somebody now go change their $200, $300. Money go full for one. It go begin spraying. Some of them are doing that for normal. Some of them are doing it to impress other people, maybe ladies or whatever, people in that environment or people around them. Now then you'll see some people will be say that €200 where you change, where be bundle of $1. The person go excuse that €200 put out for the celebrity. Excuse me, guys. He will put it, he will give it to the person who has that show going on. You understand? He will give it to the person like, this is what I have for you. But some people will choose, like person like me, I don't like show off things. And anything that get to do with show off is really not my thing. I don't like it. So when I see people doing it, maybe it's your own kind of lifestyle. I don't also judge you. I don't say what you're doing is wrong. Maybe it could be also you, is something that you like. You understand? You will check 200 euro bundle of $1. You get a bundle of $1 or 300 euro. I can as well give that 300 euro. I will just give it to the person. Say, take, this is what I have for you. We should learn to compete with the good things, not negative. Always seeing bad in people's life. Always seeing bad in what people do is very wrong. It's very, very wrong. Let's start to see good things from people. Somebody did it that day. Everybody come and say, this is the way you do so no good. Or see another person. See person where still they do and make it. You are not a kid. You are not a kid. They like you. You be old woman, eh? Old woman like you. See the kind of thing where they come out from your mouth. You don't mock her. You don't mock her. Why are you trying to paint it? Not be say this or not be say that. It's not good at all. Me they talk and I make a verse for some of you where you don't old for that Facebook. If you know your age and some things maybe say some children, maybe children they do some kind of things where not correct. You guys are to come out and correct them. You guys have to come out to correct them. Thank you very much, my darling. Thank you. I appreciate that. It's your girl, you know. I got it here. Okay? Me, I got it here. I'm not like many of them. It's not all about followers or viewers. Some of them just don't have it on their head. They don't have it. Really. Me, I got it here. You got my point. So one thing I'm trying to tell you guys, what people put on to go to party is their choice. However, even if the dress or it looks good or it don't look good, now choice. A lot because of you know, a lot of people they would like to what's it called? VS that's not my sorry. You know, say my Dutch they affect my English where we're more than non verse, honestly. You understand? VS that's normal. These people, a lot of people, me personally, okay, let me use myself as an example, okay? May not be like I they throw word to someone. Let me use like me, anything will be blink, I don't like her. Anything will be blink, I don't like her. You see, like some of our sisters now, they will put on some Africa dresses with a lot of gold in their hand, a lot of gold in their necks. Some of them are real. Many of them are blink. We know the thing. Thank you very much, my darling princess. Many of them are blink. We know the thing. They go pack her for body. You know me say you hold her for pocket. Oh. The fact that you put all those things in your body does not mean you got it. I'm telling you. Now blink now it be made. Many of them, they are not real. They are not original. Someone can have a necklace gold, worth of thousands euros. It worth more than all those things you packed in your hand. It worth more than all those things you put in your body. But it's your choice though. If you like it, it's okay, no problem. You understand? But you guys coming out to mock people, what you put on, look at what you dress. I don't think it's proper. I don't think it's proper. You understand? So now they make people they live fake life. You'll see now somebody now want go sew every cloth. Now how much to sew cloth? But you sew cloth 30,000 naira for Nigeria. Now money be that one. You sew clothes, you buy bling, pack up for body, go party to show off. A dress like this, some dress like this worth 500 euro. Some dress like this worth over 1,000 euro. The person will like it and buy it. Those of you buying things from Amazon, you know now, I know how much to buy some dresses for Amazon. You know how much to buy some dresses for Amazon. It's expensive. You understand? Then you will not compare yourself with you that go and wear 10 euro dress. You buy 10 euro dress. You know what it laugh me? You know it's funny for that video where that sister Philo do. She said, hey, me I never see that video before I post and how I felt watch. Before I post the one where she for wear the dress, you understand? She said that even the dress, a lot of people was asking me if I'm the one selling the clothes. Hey, yeah. When I can't see the video, laugh won't kill me there. I said that this dress like this is hey God. This common dress will come for everywhere. It's casual though. It's okay, mama. It's good for you. It's good for your age. It's good for your kind of person. It's okay. It's normal. You understand? But you coming out with that age to mock people, I don't think it's proper. Wanna let social media get peace. People cannot do their normal thing again. People don't have freedom. People don't have, they can't they can't run their normal things again because people will mock them, because people will see it different way, because people will come out to say something about it. It's totally wrong. It's wrong now. He say, now so they call the ask me. He got to say that she they sell la. Making me a woo. Hey, Salom. Oh, what I will take all this dream. Wanna help me out now? That's all na be. My students when are not there today. Yeah, when I see the dress, when I see the pink dress with that's what they say they do gabo every time and all my wagbo. AK Ayemi no more. Under the way remiss ladia, the remiss walking me there. Retire me do remiss of the dress. Come out. It do the remiss fashion. Now the remiss never I pass the original. I'm sorry, guys. The remiss of that video. Let me say, the remiss of that video far past the original video. The remiss of that video too far. Oh my God, sorry, I better not the dust lad. They don't say this one the cycle. I'm not the cycle. That video got me really. The remiss of that video was so beautiful. The remiss of that video, I like her past the original copy. Oh wait, they come ask me the dress when I wear. Sister, my body, what did they happen? Say, why wanna they do like? Why wanna they like disgrace on herself? Why one marriage there with 20 euro? Listen, we don't show off. For this social media, we know who eats belly full, not be go con. I'm telling you. We don't show off. We don't need to do that. We know who eats belly full, really eats belly full. You understand? Who know the hungry? We know them. So all this noise where some of them they make, I don't think it's called for. Lolo outfit, it was so beautiful. It was unique. It was elegant. I love that kind of outfit because I do it sometimes. You just wear gown. Normally, me personally, I love putting on gowns. It's my thing, it's what thing I like. You just put on gown, wear your shoe, your bag, and your hair. What else do you need? So you want her to put on some damn native. Native is also good. She loves native too. Native they fit Lolo. You have seen many videos of Lolo. She got native. Lolo get different native. If not native, sometimes I don't know until they mock person. He gets some body where go where that kind of thing come at night where you can't talk, I go understand. But you have seen Lolo with different kind of bobo native, especially that way with the bestie. When I say the kind of different native where they take come at, there's so a lot of native. So she have it. If she want to wear it, she can still wear it. She have all those dress. You understand? Maybe she just wanted to be simple. He also like Esther talk show when they bully that. The Esther talk show they dress. Now they see her video. She they dress too. Maybe she also want to be simple that very day. It's normal. You understand? Sometimes you just want to be simple. You just want to wear a simple dress. You don't want to put so much taste in your body. And this is summer, no. Now summer we even day will be say you don't need to put too much on your body. When you put too much on your body, sweat now, you are going to impress other people. That is why I live my life for me. I do what makes me happy. I don't please others and displease myself. I do what makes me, anything that will give me joy is what I do. I will go to any length to get it. It's me. This is what I stand for. Anything that will give me joy, I go to any length to get it. It's me. Yeah, baby. Yeah, it's me. So I like people that always do it the way they want it, not because you want to. I like Lolo for that. She dressed the way she wanted. She dressed what is comfortable for her. Most of them pack jewelry, everything for body, blink one. Fake. Every original. A jewelry is in Wakuye Baga calculate, you're going to mass 200 euro. It's not up to 200 euro. Pack and make yourself uncomfortable just because of other people. Just because you want to look good for them. Are you serious? Are you serious? Be comfortable with yourself. Love yourself first before other people will love you. Be comfortable with yourself. Wear anything that will make you look comfortable. Don't dress for other people. Don't dress for people. Dress for you. Dress for you. It's not good at all. If somebody just put slippers for leg, una go say why go put slippers? Why not be high shoe? Now your concern, now you put her for body. Now you put her for body. Eh? See, Mrs. Sister Philo, abi Sister Caro. Oh wait, he not do one name. They can't like the dress where she wear. They can't ask her. But me no say even the remix of that video fine pass the original copy. Una bad on this social media. You understand? Let us learn to copy the right thing, the good thing. Speak positive about people, not negative. Most of una you all come Facebook, una don't know the person before. Share it will not be the person. Una go your weird. I mention was joke money. Ajoy is very, very wrong. Any time of a swag, any time you me noga. Okay, what I bully over here very only. A bully swena. You bully me, I bully you. Wanna bully over here. And yeah, una no if it creates human being, they love somebody say no get nyash. Just imagine the kind of life we are living. People that cannot create human being. Even some of you have a dirty, stinky character. You can't even change it. But you are laughing someone else that, hey, you not get nyash. Now they see who get breast. Now they see who fat. Now they see who slim. The one way is slim for also now say suffer won't kill her. Suffer won't kill her more. That make I not get body. Oh. Even I still see the one way fat, I go say it's too fat. Come on, man. Why are you guys like this? Why are you guys like this? Why are you guys doing this? It's not proper. It's not fair. Wagamie no mono bugbe wa we awa every day what majaria why you born yeah what is your problem? What's the problem of you? That is why I keep telling you guys, if my students are here, they will write it here. I keep saying it. Most of you, you are sick of depression. You have depression. Most of you are sick. Most of you are just talking for toxic. Most of you just want to be entertained. If there's no trouble on media, you guys will be looking for where to bring some things will not be important to cause trouble, so that trouble go there everywhere. Some of you are sick, man. It don't work that way. She dressed very normal. Normal. This is summer. You don't know what is summer. In summer, when the weather is hot, you dress according to. That is why most of you are in this Europe, but you still have this African mentality. You don't behave like European. You don't behave like European at all. You still have African mentality. In Europe, you dress according to the weather. According to the weather. If summer day, you dress summer dressing. If winter day, you dress winter dressing. This is how it works. This is how it works. She dressed normal. Her dressing was beautiful, was perfect. It was perfect. She looks good on that outfit. You just on live video. You just on live video want to bully somebody for nothing. If you not say who too fat, you go say too fat. Why we to mommy by? Why me not bolo? Why we leave your body? What's your problem? You cannot be like the way you are forever. Some people just get that nice body, no matter how they eat, no matter if they get children, their body system will not change. Some of them too old, not be because say they have that natural body. Some of them are stressed also, not they make that they get body. Me, as you see me, I don't have nothing stressing me. Even if I was not lucky in a marriage, whatever, being together with somebody, I was never lucky. Yes, but in another way, I give thanks to God because I'm living a good life. I'm not suffering, I'm good. Okay, I'm living a normal life. You get my point. Sometimes it's not all of us that is lucky with this relationship. Many people has relationship problems. Some of us are just not lucky. Some of us in the early stage of our life, we meet the wrong people in our life. Some of us, we made a mistake sometimes. So which is normal. Mistake can always be correct. It depends. You understand? So some of us make that mistake. Does not mean that you make one mistake. It means that your own life is gone. Anywhere you find your life, any situation you are, give thanks to God. Do not forget to kick up. Kick up in any situation. Get up. Now, person where they get up, they fight. Now they win. You cannot be in one place and you think you will succeed. You can't be in one place and you think you succeed in life. If you want to succeed in life, you must get up. You must fight for that thing you want. This is how I know life works. Even if you want to get a man in your life, you fight for it. A man cannot meet you in your room. Oh. It's not possible. If you don't fight for it, you will not get it. If you don't fight for it, you will not get it. Women is beautiful. Woman is beautiful. Yeah, time is going. You understand? Time is going. We are not getting younger. We are getting older. Sometimes you have to fight for that thing to come. It will not just come easy. You will not just stay one place and say, okay, man, just there here. Maybe the tea will come with me here. It don't work like that. You fight for what you want. Is it? This is how I see life. So you guys should stop the bully. Stop the bully. Una say single mother go marry. If single mother tried not to fight for start, una will say, hey, na lie. No way for you. Why are you like this? Why are you people wicked? Why are you people mean to your own fellow human being? Especially those that has never offended you. Why are you mean? Why are you mean to your fellow human being? You people, the same people will come to media. You understand? Mommy Jojo, come go Germany for Esther show. Hey, I'm not around. I don't know when it's Esther show. I don't know. Let me see. I will check. If you know when it's Esther show in Germany, write it here because I don't know. You understand? Why some of you are me? Una go say person dey single. You no get husband. You no get husband. If I come for your husband now, you will say I just snatch your husband. I don't like snatching people's husband. Okay? If I come for your husband now, you say I just snatch your husband. The same una, when the young girl now go come one plan for her life to fight, the same una will still come to media. Especially this one, I no even reach one at the car they go now. They used to rub my body now. Some of you guys don't know that now the bully one and they bully people now they bring people mind towards to that area. Yes, your bully can push me to that area. You feel that you are doing me wrong. You feel say you can't curse me, but that your curse can actually take me there to that place where you want me to be because you are the one that want me to be there. You feel you come to embarrass me. You feel you come to tell me something that hurts me. It could take me there. It could take me to that place. I'm telling you. It will take me to that place. Okay? In this life. If we do it better way, that's where money where we now measure. There is nobody in this life you put sugar in their mouth and they will not open their mouth for you to take it. Do you understand? Hey, you that write it, this one, she cannot date him now. Only fuck. Who is this one? God's son, whatsoever. If you are a woman, you have dated someone before that you have also abandoned. If you are a man, someone have also slept with you before, have also leave you. Now so it been, now so life be normal. If I tell you that I've never been in a relationship that break up, my past relationship that break up, what you will do for a side? Not be fuck. Hey, because sometimes even when they talk the blast when I use my head, na ground, I know they calculate. My past relationship that break up before, what's it happen for inside? I'm telling you. Next month on the level. Oh no, I cannot make it. Thank you, darling. I can't make it. Next month on the level, my baby girl, my one and only baby girl, my AKA Ceci J, she have a birthday on this day. So you see, I can't make it. My one and only baby girl. You understand? My one and only baby girl, she has a birthday. You understand, on this day, so I cannot make it. Thank you very much. You got my point. So you guys should stop this whole thing. And to even start to add it to that area, I owe none of you explanation to that. I've said it before. I'm a woman with kids. I got children. I was married before, and I'm no more married. You understand? I divorced. I'm not legally married. So I have right to go out with anybody I want to go out with. If I want, it's my choice. I have right to do it. I have right. I'm saying it now clear. You guys can also take this one. Take this one. I have right to go out with whoever. God so that I have never go out with any guy on social media. I never date any boy for this Facebook since I've been on this Facebook. If any boy say I don't even reply even a message with hello, I love you, or I will think about it, and okay, Mo will go out. Let the person prove it. I've never. Since I come to this media for like 2 years now that I've been on this social media with you guys, if I have not get people talking to me all the way from America, UK, Germany, Canada, whatever, it's over 3,000 guys. is over 3,000 guys. My phone, I know they sleep. When my phone they ring, is over 3,000 guys. Not be quick guys, not be all those chingom boyfriends still joins. But good guys, responsible guys that will just call you in a good manner, ask you some simple questions. They just want to know, are you married? Are you single? I like you. This is me. They will tell you about yourself. And I will tell them, no, I'm sorry. I'm not ready for a relationship. Please, guys, please be kind enough. All of you so far that have talked to me, I've always told them I'm not ready for a relationship. I'm not ready for a relationship. I'm not ready for a relationship. This has always been my worst. This has always been my worst. And whenever I am ready, I want you guys, I am not coming to tell you guys I'm ready. I want to date this person. Mommy Jage, because you don't answer my question. My love, now what's happen? Lolo long mat, what's happen? What's the question again this morning? You understand? We go the same school that year. Now lie yo. Are you serious? Osasgo, they say we go the same school that year. Are you serious? I can't. Osasgo didn't boss me. I don't know. Him boss me. You understand? Thank you, Mama. My darling sister is here. Thank you. I hold no few explanation to that. I hold my life. I know what is good for me. You understand? I know what is good. And this man, you guys are just badging on me. He's not a bad-looking guy. I've said it before. He's a very, very good-looking guy, well-mannered man. A very good, responsible young guy. You understand? I don't know his fate, so I will not talk too much about him. I don't know his fate. I don't know about his relationship. I don't know how far is it. I don't know if he's still working. I don't know if he's not going to work. But however, don't forget, because now only Mommy J hold the sweet now. If that relationship work, not work, now woman must still come his life. You understand? So he's a nice guy. He's not the kind of guy that maybe if I have that kind of person in future, and I will say I don't have a man. But you guys are just badging in on me. He's my boyfriend. He's my boyfriend. He's my man friend. Come on, man. We are all on this social media. I don't go to a party. If I can go to a party, why can't I meet someone else also if we are in the same place for holidays? Why can't we also meet? Before I come to this place, I call Atiti. Atiti is also my friend. I call Atiti, I ask Atiti, Atiti, you dey stay for Barcelona. Atiti say no day for Barcelona. So if I still meet with Atiti now someone first to say Atiti, me and Atiti they date. Atiti say no day Barcelona. We check the distance from Atiti to Barcelona is too far. It's too far for me. He said, Mommy J, don't worry, I will come. I will come to Barcelona. Now me beg Atiti, say me Atiti not come. I'm talking about Prophet Atiti. Now me beg Atiti, say Atiti, no, not worry, it's too far. Next time I will make holiday and come to your city. Don't come to this place, it's too far. He said, Mommy J, I'm coming to come and greet you. I said, no. Even my dad, the social media president, is aware that I'm coming to Spain for a very long time. So it wasn't like maybe me and Dion, we planned it. I didn't even know. It was the day he was making his live video when he come to Barcelona that he said I'm in Barcelona. I was the one that write him. Yes, if you guys want to know. I wrote him and said, bro, I'm also in Barcelona. You want to meet him? He said, yes. He opened hand and embraced me. So what do you guys want me to do then? Huh? What do you want me to do? So guys, please. I'm not there on our nose. If I dare your nose, blow me out. Come on. I want you guys to know explanation what I do with my life. You understand? I'm not an ugly girl. I'm a beautiful girl. If you find me attractive, good. You understand? So if you not like when I talk whatsoever and I won't talk, I don't give a damn. I don't even give a hook. Really? You understand? If another live video presenter when I like, there for this city when I do, I go even mommy untouchable mama. Untouchable mama. You understand? If I like John, you want to introduce John for me. I like her. I like her. I'm gonna go kill myself. I like him. She wants water. Mommy, you want water? You guys come and take money and go and buy. I go and buy there. Yes, I like him. Please do the hookup. I beg. Do the hookup. Unshakable mama. Untouchable mama. Take mama. Untouchable mama. I wrote untouchable mama too because I know say blind now Spain I should. I wrote untouchable mama. Mama, I dey come to Barcelona. they come to Barcelona. Oh, now Barcelona you dey? She said no. She said she's not there for Barcelona. I said, okay, no problem. Because I really wanted to also meet with people that I like, that I know, say they're there for Spain. Now, why for you too, Monica? Go, you dey mad. My friend, get out from here. Do you understand? John is a nice-looking guy, okay? He's a, but I know what me be like, say, Mona, no coffee, say, okay, I'm taking the advantage because he with his wife don't quarrel. No. He's a nice-looking guy. If he looks my way, I will look his way. He no concern una. I don't get boyfriend for media. I don't have no boyfriend here. No talk of say I will call it this thing. What is your problem? I owe you guys no explanation. I like him, yes. No sass. Yes, I like him. What are you gonna do about it now? What you wanna do about it? What you wanna do about it? He said, why you don't call Mommy Love? Yeah, I want nothing against Mommy Love, I swear. Mommy Love, she's also a nice person also. Except that I will be say yesterday do some kind of, I just let her know. I don't get that lady for my mind. Me, I don't get nobody for my mind. I don't have her in my mind, I swear. You understand? But because we, you know, sometimes when you don't badge on people, so long that of course she have seen the video. So I would not just call her and say I'm coming to Spain like that. So it don't work like that. You understand? It don't work like that. Thank you very much, Joy Peter. Thank you, I appreciate. What you want to do about it? What you want to do about that? Nothing. You want to hook us up? Please do. Oh. Please do. Explain yourself on social media. Even if I explain, thank you very much, Favor. Even if I explain from now, go reach tomorrow, they will not understand. Never will they understand. They will not understand. Wala we maybe me wanna we may in Mona we may not look my way. Help me. Mona help me beggar. Mona help me beggar. Yeah, people. Mona help me beggar. You understand? Help me beggar. You get my points. See as there be. Come my page, come they insult me. Go to Aproko. I not blame on Aproko. I will put off on to insult me, sha. But I'm not hating on Aproko because I can never hate him. You understand? I will not hate on Aproko because Aproko have also done so much. Pemi Osula, Don is a hero. If he love you, my sister, go for him. My lady Pemi, thank you very much. Thank you, my darling Joe, better sister. Not my day. Can you imagine? Can you imagine these people? Thank you, my sister Pemi. I appreciate you, Mama. Thank you. I appreciate that. You understand? Aproko, I will never say nothing bad to you because I'm a kind of person. If you do small for me, I know how to appreciate a lot. You understand? Some are bad or good, even if I know the saga video of us, now you always the carry. If not the one I take down, just now you know who carry. But however, you still they try. You are trying, Aproko. You are trying. But please, Aproko, take it easy. Take it easy, I beg. What about if this thing wanna badge me was real? If it was real, you be don't spoil my relationship. Oh. You opened up for people to insult me on a fresh relationship. That was wrong. You be don't spoil life. It was real. So it's not good. Sometimes take it easy. Take it easy, eh? It's not good. Not be any small video or anything. Just begin carrying and all right. You opened up for it, so but it's okay though. I'm not angry. Mommy JJ, I don't vex for you. Oh. Our friendship don't finish. Okay, that's what's up. Maybe na secret lover now you be. Who knows? Maybe you are my secret lover. All this time I was thinking you are a woman. I didn't know you are a man. You don't vex now. All of them, many of them, I don't vex. I tell you how many block I don't get for my for my normal phone. People when they toast me when they bluff. They don't block me one after the other. Say I don't get another boyfriend. It shock me, self. If I tell you them, and funny enough, I don't even reply them. Oh. So imagine I don't reply you. Imagine I don't text with you. You block me. So how is that my problem now? How you think that one is going to affect me? Just imagine. How you think that one now is going to affect me? I don't even give you the green light. I don't even give you green light in the first place. You just write me, oh, so this is the reason why you don't talk to me. Hey, this is the reason why you don't write me. Oh, this is the reason why you don't want me. Hey, this is the reason why you don't do this one. In life, everybody know what is good for them. In life, we all know what we want. In life, we all know what For me, I have never go for low. If you go reach the man when I born for. If I present the man when I born for, it go shock many of you now. I swear. People who know me knows. If I present the man when I married before, when I born for, I say, this girl, she have never got for lesser. She really know what she want. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, social media president. Thank you, Domo. Lamo go, Daddy. Thank you very much. My daddy, know I was coming to Spain. He knows about it. Thank you. I love you too, my daddy. I love you so much. I love you for real. Thank you, Daddy. What happened? My network is getting bad now. Oh, una don't see they affect my video. Una don't see they hook my video. Who says that? Was I the one that posted? Did I post any picture? Did you see me posting any picture? Did you see me posting any picture? Huh? Is this the first time I'm using someone picture with me on my DP? One of the current news they go. What's your problem, Seth? Are we complaining? Do I have a man? Am I cheating on my husband? I don't have a man. You understand? I'm not married to anybody. I'm not cheating on my man. So wait till na home. I'm still go ready to meet go with the right person, with better one. Not be yao man. You understand? I know they go for yao boyfriend. Now that one they fine. You will never see me with yao man. Sorry, because I know some haters now. Now they either that fake account to come talk to me. You will never see me with yao man. Sorry. Hello. Why is your man Spanish man consider that with me? Oh, Sakalo. I don't know her before. You will never see me. Never. You know, see me with low-life person. You will never see me with a low-life man. I don't say not good though. It's good for some people. Please leave my video alone because you guys are flashing my video. Leave my video. Leave my video alone. Stop flashing it. It's not good. Let me say my mind. You will never see me. You will never see me with low-life person. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you. You will never see me. I know what is good for me. I know the class I belong to, okay? I know my class. I'm telling you guys. I belong to some certain class. I don't belong to... never. I'm too bigger than that. I'm telling you, I'm too way bigger than that one. Never. You will never see me on that area. Never. Even if you say Dion no say, God love me now, say, won't marry me. Tomorrow, if I still bring that man, una go still see her, una go remember me with this video. Say, yeah, this girl, she wants say it. You say this girl, she wants say it. You understand? It's not even all about beauty. Destiny. Osarabo, you know me now. You know me. It's not even all about, you know my kind of mind. You know I have a good heart. I have a good mind. My mind is so open. Only my heart alone. Any man way they responsible way come close to me, he will know my worth. Forget about the beauty. More leave Nyasha aside. More leave that my Nyasha aside where they kiss some of them. More leave that one aside. My mind set alone. The mind where God take create me with. The kind of mind that God gave me. You put this water for her. Oh yeah, give it to auntie to open it for you, my darling. Again, now Maole come and character me. Big, neither with you. Oh yeah, you guys should go and sit. I'm coming. You didn't drink anything. You don't want. Varun, why? Are you sure? Yes. You understand? You know me. You know me well. You understand? You will never see me. God create me with a good mind. I don't know how to treat a man bad. If na character, they talk her. If na character, I don't go break up for my marriage. But God knows why. Sometimes you might have everything complete, but in one way things will still not work for you. God knows why. God knows why. So I don't blame nobody. I don't blame myself. I cannot kill myself for a marriage that did not work. At the same time, I can't kill myself for it. So that does not mean I will not move on. You understand? So someone bash me with her, not be bad. I'm telling you, it's a good thing. This is the verse. When I say they pay me, so I bash me with you. He not pay me, oh, Isha. He not pay me, oh. He's a good guy. He's a responsible guy. I've said it bore. He's a dark cute man, and I like him. I do. It's good. But just that you guys will not see me with a low life person, because now low life person now they wish for everybody, so that if I see and I'll come they laugh. No, I've never been like that. You understand? If you are a woman or a man that commits that, let me tell you, it's not by character or beauty that will make you. It takes the grace of God to make relationship work these days. It's not only about beauty. You could be beautiful. If you ask me that, oh, if you are that, why your husband? Go and ask ID Clue. ID Clue is a beautiful woman. You know how many times she have remarried? ID Clue has money. You know how many times she has remarried? Jennifer Lopez, she's a beautiful woman. She has money. She's wedding. Leader Ikeji, with all her money and beauty at all as she is, with all these heights, she's still a single mother. So who can be me? So my dear people, in every situation you find yourself, give thanks to God. Sometimes when you see your relationship are working, when your relationship is not because you are beautiful, it's not because you have everything, it's not because you are respectful, it's just the grace of God that is guiding that relationship. I am telling you, it's the grace of God that is guiding that relationship. So if you think that beauty can hold a relationship, you lie. Beauty. Now so, not be lie, yo, Monica, go now true. Oh. I'm confirming it to you now true. It was very good. Like really, it was so good, eh? Monica, it's true, you are right. It was very good. I had see, my coming to Spain is wonderful. It's one thing I will never forget. I had a great experience. I had the best fun so far. I really enjoyed coming to Spain. I will never forget it. Anytime we do on the con Spain, me or the con, mo na die. Wa vie. Anytime we do on con Spain, maybe day. Oh, we Germany. Wa be me on the moon. You already Spain wa vie. You come Germany. If you come Germany, if you let me not be my city, I'll go to city where day. Wa be vie. What is it? What is it? I don't know for you whether Dion better pass destiny. You not concern me. You get what person they like for this life. You understand? Everybody gets your taste for life. So in my spec is my spec and is my taste. So forget that one when they talk. So you see, so this is it, man. So it takes the grace of God. It's the grace of God. I'm telling you. Sometimes and understanding matters a lot. Understanding can keep a relationship going. If there is understanding, that is why I always say it. If understand the day, thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy. That is my great social media president, my social media daddy, the only one I will never backstab, the only one I will never break down, no matter the situation. I will never do that. I love you deeply from my heart. You get why? So you understand? Understanding matters in a relationship. Understanding. It's not because one is beautiful. When a man say you are beautiful, I look at it and laugh. It's not beauty. Beauty don't keep relationship. Respect don't keep relationship. If there is no understanding in your relationship, forget about it. And when a relationship breaks, it does not based on only the woman. It don't base only the woman. But today, we women, and we they get the blame pass. They blame the woman. Hey, you the woman, why you not stay for your husband ass? So men too, they cost me relationship they break. So it's not all about the woman. You understand? So men too, they break. What about you in a relationship that you cannot take it any longer? When something is too much, you cannot take it any longer. You will give up. You will give up. Today, a lot of our sisters are dying in a bad relationship. So may even die in their relationship. The same people that is talking today that will say, hey, why you not stay for your husband? And the same people will come out and say, why you not go when it was worst? They will say, if I married John, our chemistry works. Yes, because he's crazy and I'm crazy. Our chemistry go well. He go well. May I tell you, sirs, forget if I married you, nothing they happen. If I married you, nothing they happen. That divorce when I found, I not go get her. I'm telling you, forget it. He walk well or one winner. Because sometimes in life it's because we don't know. You don't marry your own fellow, you go marry the one. Sometimes you will be yow person, go marry quiet girl. You say because I'm this day I go marry quiet girl. Sometimes if you marry your fellow yow person, you will see and say the love. Now make her sometimes when I go to see Monica with your husband. Do you know why Monica with your husband sometimes I still give that one for inside? That one the way I see them let me want to talk for Monica and your husband. The reason why you see Monica with your husband sometimes they will never get cry because they are same people. Their heads they from one basket. The reason why you see that social media president's wife, he not go feel leave my daddy Gio, because my daddy with his wife, their chemistry work. Those two couple check their chemistry. He work where he work, because when you marry your own fellow person for something, if you are a jovial person, you marry to a jovial person. If you are a playful somebody, you marry to a playful somebody. Tell me how that relationship go take break. We all made mistakes. Sometimes we'll go marry to somebody will be saying, hey, this man is quiet. I also made that mistake. Yeah. Because if you see the one when I marry, see the color. I don't know. You understand? When you marry and you say, this person is quiet, this person will not fly. But when that person go deep hand into your eyes, you will never believe it. So when I want to remarry again, I want to marry to an open heart somebody. I want to marry to somebody who has even if you must not be a church goer, but he go you get if he dey verse, he go talk and come out. He no go keep her for mind. He go you talk and you know where to make her the verse. I will understand, and that quarrel go die there. The quarrel go die. They will we talk our mind. I don't want married to a gentleman again. I don't want married to a man. When people go look, they go tell me say, this man is looking good now. This man cannot hot fly. Lie. That man cannot hot fly, but the kind of thing that man is doing, you will not believe it. Don't judge people you don't know. Do not judge people you don't know, because if you are not in that shoe, you don't know. People will tell you, that your husband, but that your husband look cool now. That your husband, but do you know what that man have done to me? You know the thing. Do you know? For me personally, 4 years in pain I go through. When you are close to me, do you know what that 4 years in pain did to me? It made me to be overthinking. I can't get overthinking problem. Little things that you will just see and overlook it, it becomes a problem for me. Sometimes at night I will not even sleep. I will not even sleep when I will take some things. I go overthink. Wait, I will think and go here, overthinking. That is what we curse you. Overthinking. It gives me overthinking. I'm telling you. It gives me overthinking. My head won't, but I went to my daughter. My daughter said, Frau Rita, you need to take it easy. You are overthinking too much, and it's not good for you. You need to take it easy. It's not good for you. Take it easy. It's not good for you. You are overthinking it, because you know why? When you are in a stressful relationship where they say the person did not beat you, but the person is killing you in silence, you will end up in a stress. That person is killing you inside. It's just like it's not every relationship. Some relationship it will be that you will fight. I will even prefer that relationship that you will slap me. Slap me. I don't say you slap me. It better pass down away. Be say you they kill me emotionally. You are killing me. Like I'm dying inside of me. Thank you very much, Tiffany. You know me well. You know me. You can tell my story. I'm so happy that people that know me are here this morning. They know me very well. Something that person will do, the person will do, it will be killing you inside. You cannot voice it out to people, because you know why? If you tell somebody that this person do this, the person will not believe you. When you tell the person that, see what this person did to me, the person will not believe you, because they will say, that man is too calm now. And I lie. That man is too calm now. That man will not they talk. That guy will be say, go, you're quiet. Even if you tell us, go bring something, go help you bring her come. Do you know what I'm going through? That is why you see today when people are showing off their marriage, I know they worry. Because the real marriage is not outside. Your real marriage is inside the house. It's not what you show to people outside. You can show whatsoever you want people to see of you. Inside is the real marriage. Is the real marriage. I'm telling you. People are crying. A lot of people are in pains. If you are not strong enough, you cannot go out from that marriage. Thank you very much for that person that put that comment. Say, marry to your best friend. Yes, marry to your friend. If you marry to your friend, you will not suffer. If you marry because you see this man will not stress me, my sister, you are lying, oh. You will stress, oh. You will stress. You will stress. So please, you don't know me, you can tell. The reason why most of you have never come for me is because you don't really know me. But so far, I don't have no dirty shades. I have no dirty shade. I do not have no dirty shade. I'm saying it with my full mouth. That is why I'm out. I don't have no dirty shade. You understand? So please, let me be. I'm a single woman. I'm a single woman. I'm not married to nobody. Let me make my choice. Even if I'm dating anybody, like you guys said, it's none of your business. If anything happens at the end, what I need from you is congratulations. If I still bring someone else come tomorrow, say, my people, now my husband be this one, or now the man when I born for be this one, congratulate me, forget about the rest. Forget about the rest. Because this is what I do for people when I see them. No matter what, even if you be my enemy, if you born, if you mad, if you do anything, I will congratulate you. I don't have no art of hate. I not be hate on somebody. I not care. Whether I only love making or not the person love, oh. You understand? It no matter. Most of us here that is here, we don't date. We don't date people live there. People have also date us. We have break hearts. People, we have also break people hearts. Someone have break our heart. We have also break people hearts in the past. That's how life be until you will meet the right person for you. Until you will meet the right person. You have break hearts before. I've break hearts before. Someone have also break my heart also. Sometimes, now the thing we do to others, now they come back to us. You understand? So this is it. So please, you guys should get yourself, your hating, whatever, get it. Anyways, I'm not here to beg you to stop hating, no, because that one I cannot. This Facebook, now 8, not many pass. You understand? So this is it. This is just the truth. I wish whatsoever. Anybody that break up in their relationship, if they finally go back, I wish them well. It doesn't matter. You understand? This is it. So please, you guys should leave me. You heard him yesterday when he said on his video that he's single and ready to mingle. He said he's single. He's not dating nobody. He cannot be dating me. I will come to a live video and said he's single. It's true. He can't be dating me and come to his video and said he's single. Sometimes when I not get head to think, now only one side when they think. How my relationship concern you? Una they do now, nobody they judge you now. So because we have bring ourselves now, we don't volunteer ourselves as a presenter, as a motivational speaker. So it means that we don't have our own life to live again. So because I'm on social media, I cannot live my own private life. I cannot live my own private life because I'm on media. It don't work that way. So I appreciate every one of you. Thank you very much. Please keep it real with yourself. Love yourself first. Love yourself first before anybody. If you want people to love you, love yourself first. See yourself bigger before someone else will see you too. Okay? Not they follow those bling bling. Some people they go carry big money, go to party. Does not mean say you get to. Now just to impress people. Now just to impress people. Some people that will carry big money, carry this thing, $1. Now make you see that $1 sometimes. It's not they hungry me to spray. I will prefer give you my euros. I use euro in the country where I am. I prefer give you my euros. Say, take. This is me. Everybody will know me. I have a art of giving. And if I'm close to Genocide, I'm close to him also because I like that foundation work. It's part of me. I was born with this. Two things I was born with a good heart. I was born with I give my hand that they give. Now make even if I call your party, I give you 100 euro, I give you 200 euro. My dear, you know responsibility where there is my head. You know how many people there for Nigeria when they give money. You know how many people when they send money go give for feeding. Do you know? Do you know? I have the art of giving. So if I get 1 naira, I still contribute it to that foundation. It's not a bad thing. If I have 1 kobo, I contribute it to that foundation. It's not bad. We must stand together and support ourselves. We need to support our people back home. They need it. Now only the one I know. Hey, they go do. Now you get my toto for me. Now you get my toto. This sweet pussy juicy. There's way I cannot talk again. No, I not gonna get lash. Eh? It will not say get buwa. When they jealous of me. Eh? I have a good heart. My heart is so open. I don't like just the way I'm so emotional. And that's why I know they like to see people suffer. When I see it, they beat me. Sometimes people around me, they will say, you give too much, stop it. They always say it. But guess what? This is my good heart, not because I want to do it. I have this good heart from my mother. Now make I say, when a woman, when you see somebody, now wait till you be, now you the bomb. I have it from my mother. My mother, she was a good woman. She has a good, may her soul rest in perfect peace. She has a very good heart. She has the art of giving. My mama know they use that to see person where they suffer. All the money that woman has make, all the money she make for her life, now brother, sister, outsider, everybody now she use and bless. Sometimes people wait there around me, they talk and they'll say, reduce this your giving. If you give too much, you will not meet up in life. If you give too much, you will not have so much in your name. I know I'll leave you. I will tell you I will leave you. Where say? Or we know what say. Where say? Even if you still married, say you still need a comfortable or the permanent side chick. It's not everybody that is made to marry. You understand? My mother has a good heart. She has a heart of giving. My mother, no, they use that they see you, they suffer. There is one person on this live video presenter. As a mother, I don't want to introduce myself to that person because of you know all those thing, all those live this thing. I would have asked that person. I will I'll call on that person. I'll say, my lady, call this person for your family. Call her. Call this person for your family. Ask this person about my mother. I will not be the one to do the video. I will let that lady take care of that video. She will tell you. She will tell you the kind of woman that gave birth to me. A woman with a good heart. A woman who don't like people to suffer. A woman that will do. She will have to. She will give you one at the half from the one where she gets, where she wants to survive. She will give her to you. You understand? So I love good people. When I see people that has the art of giving, they attract me. When I forget say this genocide, I don't first see bad jam in the past. So when I forget, I bashed genocide that time. So I'm not the kind of maybe say genocide matana and I can say hey. I bashed him before. Yes, I did. I'm pretty sure you guys remember that was the cases of blessing. What we are fear muladia in one. I don't care. You understand? But at the same time, I love that young guy. He's a good guy. I like him. I'm gonna cry. After this video, you ain't going to see me come out to do this video again. So I'm just trying to tell you guys, please, you guys are overthinking. Your overthinking is too much. Reduce it. Reduce it. The guy is a good guy. Everybody will like him. He's doing a good job. I know that most guys when they like her, because they attack me. They add other fake account. When I feel say I don't date on a crush. Salo boy, wala wo. I'm gonna take her easy. Not be woman, not be leave the guy. That woman still live on. You understand? If a woman who married to him never die, not die for a matter, now me won't die. I can. I like him. I cannot lie about it. But at the same time, it takes two to tango. Okay? But if you guys want to do the hookup, I don't mind as well. You can do it, okay? You guys should go ahead and do it. I'm giving you. Go ahead and do it, okay? And I will accept it. I will gladly accept it. I will accept it. Eh? I want for una so una be. Una no want me the young guy born. I'll gladly accept it too. He says CG to God, I will gladly accept it. I don't want me the guy born. Ija, not be the same una when the guy when it's here born waban and wag bell wagbon. The same una where they write negative comment now they clap and no clap for destiny. Say it's good to make destiny marry Edward and Esther. If Osage get 2 women for a life, now bad thing. If you still get me, I get Willie for a life, not be bad thing. It's a good thing. Yeah, it's a good thing. Yeah, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry. I don't know if you like what I'm doing right now, but I'm sorry. I just have to say my mind. This say una na clap now. How can you guys accept destiny to have 2 wives? Una no accept to say me get 2 women. Una they mad. How una accept destiny? Don't give our sister. You just. I mean, una accept this thing. Not be the same una now they embrace there. Ija. Okay, now Sage, okay, I got you. Why? Okay, Sage not supposed to get 2 women now. Eru waje, wagbere ivo, watane, ekesi ni watane wasile ni wawe 2 women is allowed. Now so una take talk the matter now sila. That matter we don't talk a long time. We don't see that issue. Una forget. Una say 2 women is allowed. So it's allowed. So please, you guys should leave us. Okay, let us have our great time in our great holiday in Barcelona. Shut the fuck up. Shut up. It's not an insult to anybody. Shut up. It's not an insult. Are you trying to tell me that Esther, who is married with another person, she's not a good personality? Are you trying to tell me that Edward is not a good personality? No woman pass no woman. I want to 2 everybody get. You hear me? Now 1 to 2 everybody gets. Esther, how many children she gets? How many children she gets? She's a mother of 4 or 5 children. Is she not married to a young guy? She don't born for the guy. She don't born. Shut the fuck up. Thank you very much. It's good as you like my talk. Shats, I'm coming. Okay? See, may I tell you, I never born boy pikino. Ikweva. Amen. We're dropping up Manoro. Ikweva, we're dropping up Manoro. Well, you only want to go be away. I need like 2 or 3 ma picking. You understand? Ruaya toge here. I zuabagbo. Ruaya toge. I toge so I kill now. That matter they call us. Serious that one. So 2 women is allowed, Our Bini kid the way we come from. That they married 2 women. And so when I kick against that word that day, when I kick against it, when I say no, wait till they talk. Wait till they talk. Why man of you follow 2 women? Ija. It's allowed. When I don't say that matter, he say you know where. I know where for it matter. Every cassava no ready atana we atana Ija. Oh we know where say oh. A cassava no ready where buy where for cassava where they sweet you do where. My way well. You want not make cassava no ready any move for move for. If a baller like be what atalo. Yes so Jan Shuesta. This I thought they asked me. About to say that I thought they asked you. I be about to say that may you still lock up. About to say that may you lock up. Which will be your own self. May you lock up and everything that they talk. We are tanai. When we lock up, you hear it. Ija. Resty. You understand? So this is it, guys. So please, it's not good, On a serious note, I don't want to be too serious on this issue. I don't want to be too serious. But I have to say that I don't laugh. May you lock up. Now, wait till the apple. Ija. Now, me starter. I don't want to be too serious on the issue, right? I just want to make a joke out of it. I want... Mama, what is it? What is it? You want to eat something? Huh? Oh yeah, let me give you. Mama, come. She said she wants to eat something. Can you get her something there? Yeah? Please, come and help me. Thank you. Ataya o. Thank you very much. Nosa. Uwese, Nesek. You understand? You understand? Let me to find something for her. Okay? Thank you, my love. You understand? So please, guys, it's not nice, eh? It's not nice. We a stress relationship. I wish you wait. They ask me whether your baby not gets papa. I wish you a stress relationship, okay? I wish you a stress relationship. If you are a man, I wish you the most worst woman on this earth. If you are a woman, I wish you the most worst man. If your man was good before, from this moment, it's going to be a nightmare in your life. With a stress relationship, you do well. Mojare no marry. You think I'm like you guys who fake your life? I don't fake my life. You think I'm like some of you that live in a stressful relationship? You'll be faking it all because you want people to say you are married. I'm married. No. If it's not working, it's not working. If it's not working, I don't care if you are a mother of three, you are a motherfucker. If you are a mother of three, if you are a responsible woman, you should know how to treat your comments. You should know how to treat your comments. Get the fuck out of here. You understand? I wish you the most stressful man on this earth. You will notice it. You see it. Do you understand? People died. A lot of our sisters have died in a stressful relationship. They have died. Look at the one. You know how many ways they happen? One apple in Germany that day. The other one apple for America. The other one apple for UK. It happened all over the place. You want me to be in that kind of relationship that will cost my life? And tomorrow all you can say is RIP. Oh, sorry, RIP. RIP to you. RIP to you. Oh, where your people cannot get papa. Where we a stressful relationship. Because you are lucky does not mean everybody is like that. You might be lucky, yeah, good. Who says that one cannot remarry? Where do you see that one cannot remarry? Not be by force to marry, Sha. But if you want, you can still remarry. It's a choice. Okay? It's a choice. If you want, you can remarry. So that is it for now. So my people, back to that UK dressing where they do the remix. I like that copyright, that remix. I be want carry the remix put for my page. I say I don't know. You know, bless her, they mock them. Oh well, they come ask me the dress when I wear. I think say na one kind big dress, oh. And she talk, I can't believe her more. Thank you very much, my darling Felix. Thank you. I appreciate you. Much love. I can't say na one big dress, oh. I don't know, saying that common dress, na labalaba dress. That labalaba dress where it come. That labalaba dress where it come. The thing can't shock me. Anyway, Mama, you know, so na Mama she be sha. She's an advanced lady. The dress is okay for her age. But Mama, you bring it all to yourself. You don't do that. Don't come out to abuse your own fellow woman. You understand? At the end of the day, people like us where they chop, where we real girl, where get the cash. We don't like it. We just don't like it. Not because we can't afford it. We just don't like it. He said that dress be carry me call here. Ahia will there gossiper. Monica go gossip and I you'll be gossip. You understand? If you love our brother, continue your life with him. Love you. So thank you very much, my darling. Thank you, Bo. These are the better comments when I want you. She's 47. At 47 when she's being stupid. At 47. Can you imagine the concombility? At 47, now they open my they talk. See, that Lolo hair, that hair with Lolo. If not the one when they see for online, will not be the one they buy for Nigeria. That Lolo hair is more than 200 euros. No, let's be real. I've seen that hair. But just that I not too they like that orange color. Me, I'm very selective when it comes to color. I not too they like that orange color like that. I don't like them. I like gold. I don't like black. I like gold. I like red. Like they like for hair. That Lolo hair is like 200 euros. 200 euro. But let's just look at it in the other way. That 200 euro, more than talk to my people. You know, buy that gown with that sister wear. He buy the guy, he buy the shoe. He even buy and go reach the dreadlock where they say they don't want to not tell her this one more. I beg, I know I mean they lash me. That dreadlock where they say they use big money do. If you still buy and reach there, where tama, more than not tell her more. I procolo tell her this one more. That hair is like 200 euros. You know? So you don't come out to insult people. Any of you, except the one me know why you're taught to, because you get people for this social media where be say, if they cough, I don't want cough put. Not because I'm scared of you, because I don't see you. If I talk for your matter, don't know say I like you. I know they talk say because I don't like you. I like it, that make me talk for your matter. Like that sister feel I like her. Now mama, now our mama. She's our mama. She's our mama. You understand? You understand? She's our mama. So if I know why you're tough for some people matter, now because I know what I get mad too because I know what they talk. Now bully at the rough or I know I'm gonna see. I just come out from a stressful relationship. Honestly, I was in a very stressful relationship. I just come out for it. I just came out for a stressful relationship, and I don't want too much stress on top of it again. You understand? I don't want too much stress on top of I'm again. Say all the social media stress. I make cannot be the turn. Obviously, I be not get mad. I get mad. I get mad. Thank you very much, my darling Angela. Thank you. Thank you, my sister. Madam Room 3. Like you see. Oh my God. Sometimes your comments are crazy. But I believe that if everyone can make joke out of it, sometimes it's better than problems. You understand? It's better than problems. Your comments could be very hurtful, yeah. But at the same time, I believe that in this life, that is why we have both positive and negative. There are positive people, there are negative people. In life, if you want everybody to love you, then you got something wrong with you. Everybody cannot love you. Everybody. Oh, thank you very much. I appreciate that. Thank you. Amen. 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 Amen to that. Amen. 1,000,000 times. Thank you. You understand? I'm waiting. God will direct him. You understand? Everybody must not like you. Some people will like you, some will not like you. Some will say that so you be, some go say that so that one. You understand? So this is it. So if everybody love you, you got something wrong with you. It's because in this life that we are, there are people you not do anything today, you have not done anything, but they hate you. Sometimes they don't hate you, they just also write for fun for people to follow up with their comments. For people to follow up with their comment, not because they hate you. So that is it. So thank you very much. I appreciate. If you first hear me draw the connection or do the hookup, I'll still like her. If you still hear me pull mat, draw the connection, draw the nets very well. Why not? I like it. Love is a beautiful thing. At least when I still, you guys are happy. The Single Mother Association, you can be -1. -1. How many men won't take love? Una one. -1. Una way say una marry, una not go help the Single Mother Association make them marry. If they follow una drag us, man, una not cry. Oh, everybody's following me to drag my husband. Somebody's dragging. Now, person take my own. I not cry. Now, person take my own. I not cry. The day when I see my own man with another woman, you know what the police tell me? Police tell me, say, may I go do the right thing. Do you know what is the right thing that the police tell me to do? When I see my husband with another woman. Police tell me to do the right thing. Do you know what's the right thing? Meaning, if the marriage, you can't take it anymore, go to court. That is what they mean. Go and do the right thing. Go to court. This is Europe. He said, take care of it. Go to court. Go to court. If you can't do the right thing, end it. Anything that is giving you sleepless nights, anything that is making you to bed wet your bed sheets, end it. Anything. You endure faith, not. If you not let me read this, your comment to I beg go, not put me for trouble for another sack. You understand? Anything that will make you to bed wet your bed with tears, not be peace, oh. Tears. Your pillow every day, you are not tears. End it. End it. You understand? End it, because let me tell you, Ken, no woman will live a peaceful home. But not all women do. Some women will, okay? But me, if you know my kind of person, I play so much. I love love. That kind of woman I be. I like, even if me and my man get misunderstanding. I not be that one be say, me and ma go your day as 2 days with the quarrel. I not sabi do that kind of thing. If it, me man and woman they quarrel, hey, I not fit to say I be a man not fit quarrel. No, man and woman they get misunderstanding. I come by make be now. Man and woman they get misunderstanding. I be that kind of woman. Me and you quarrel now. Maybe the couple, you know, like maybe hours later, you know, hours later, we don't still they talk, we don't still they play. I'm that kind of person. You understand? I'm that kind of person. I don't keep things in my mind. I have a let's go out. I know how to forgive a man if you do me wrong. But I don't want to really go deeper because I know you guys are pushing me. You guys want me to talk now. Oh, this is what bring problem. This is what happened to me. This is where my relationship have never worked. This is what happened. No, I ain't saying that. I just wanted to say a little bit. Now by beautiful. I better go, brother. Now by beautiful. I will not delete your comment. You just want to write for fun. Intelligent. You too much. Thank you, my love. Better picky. Thank you, Chopper. Where's say? Thank you. What is one right? You way defend Adoro boy. They call not even normal. I don't know you will not be me the turtle. Imiobe Adoro boy. Not be me. I know someone I not carry on Adoro boy, but don't use it to paint me. I know some Adoro boy they follow. If you call Adoro boy for my life, now be say you don't know me. That Adoro boy that you mentioned, now be say you don't know me. I wish you never mention it. You just write your comments. I'll the suspect that person will know me. But if you mention Adoro boy, you don't know me. Me, Adoro boy. Adoro boy are good people. What if be Adoro boy that they talk Adoro? Adoro is the man we never get paper. That not me say no we get. We always get paper today. We not bring paper come from Africa. You understand? We did not bring our paper from Africa. You understand? But the thing. Oh, Sunday Jays, carry your God aside. Ew, I so much love this comment. Ew, Queen, God's power. Aish. Queen God's power, you make my day. Queen God's power, you know what's up. Queen God's power, drop another comment for me again. Queen God's power, I love you, I swear. I don't know who they behind that this thing. Queen, God's power. God's power. Thank you very much. I love that comment you drop. You have said it all. You have said it. Like, it's just the truth. There are so many men, they don't know what they have until they lose it. They don't know at all. Now, so it's still be for woman, no, not be only man. Now, so it's still be for woman. They don't know what they have until they have it. But God's power, thank you very much. Thank you for that comment you drop. It be like say, you know. It be like say, me. I said it before. I said, I have a purpose of having this, my social media platform. Although it has never really been, you know, everything about my platform is real. I'm not coming to deceive anybody, to lie to anybody. I use myself as an example in every word that comes out from my mouth. Okay? It's better you hear it from my mouth than someone else will come and say, and so she be. Hear it from my mouth better. You will not kill me by the words of my mouth. Oh, when I see me see this person, oh, he says, well, if you never talk on video call with Osas for Barcelona, who be Osas for Barcelona? We were laughing when you open your breast for him. Hey, God. Some of you now not make careful for the kind of one that they like. Una not gonna make careful at all. How una you just that just they forge lie against somebody? Please, my people, I don't know nobody in Barcelona before I come here. The only people I know in Barcelona is my family. I don't know any other person. I don't even have one friend. Did you see me that I take picture with anybody as a friend? Say, hey, my friend in Barcelona, my friend in Barcelona, my friend. I don't have nobody. Oh, Rita, my love. Ew. Thank you, my lovey. We say this my good student, my good follower. We say Lolo log mat. We say me and our friendship don't finish. Only we are going to settle. I don't know who is under that account, but we are going to settle. I'm pretty sure. Don't be jealous now. Let your sister enjoy now. My sister, I know my baby father run with anything. He say na my mama. And my mama water drive him. Oh, now you go pregnant another woman. Oh, I'm happy with my new boyfriend, but the guy is regretting big time. Oh my God, I'm so sorry, darling. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, my darling. Sometimes we all are having relationship problem. People will just be insulting us. They don't know that we are really facing or going through a lot. You don't know. Okay. No, I don't want, my darling. Are you okay, Shat? Have you think where we are going to? My sexy. Say hello, Jenny. Say hello. Wave. Yeah? What did Jennifer do? Hey, go and sit down. I'm coming. It's okay. I'm on live now. You guys should stop making noise. Mama, do not mind it. I will comment. Your kind of person say how good and kind you are. You will make a good wife. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you very much, my darling. Of course, so I will make a good wife. Oh, I will make a good wife to a man who knows my value. A man that knows the value of a good woman. A man that knows that it's not all about fine, it's all about art. Where you have a person that has a good art. It's all about art. Now make us, you see me, when I want to go out with a man, I know they look you, I know they look your body, whether you short or tall, you not concern me. I look straight in your art. If you have a good art, it's fine. I love men with good art. I love people that has a good art. My way get good art, I better pass. Some are some. We have made mistake in our life. I myself have made mistake. Is that your daughter? She's so big. It's my daughter. Oh, now my daughter you see there. Oh. Our stepdaughter. How are you? Thank you. You understand, my darling, you know? Sometimes we ladies, we do make mistake. Yes. We made mistake by ending up with the wrong person. It's true. And that mistakes, it will come back to us. Like they will start pursuing us. Hey, now you know what, Mary? My sister, God will give you a nice man. Thank you very much, my darling. We really value you. Take your time. Awesome. Pray. Yes, oh, yes, I do pray. Thank you. Let me like this, your comment. I do pray. I do pray. I do pray to God, yeah. Yeah, my kids are beautiful. Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate that. Thank you. You know, so this is it, my dear. This is it. I love every one of you with the positive, negative comment. I own nothing against nobody. Aproko, thank you. You are giving me popularity. Thank you very much, Aproko. Who knows now? Maybe your wish for me, if it still come through, it will be a good thing. So the way I'll call you, make us celebrate with me. Thank you very much, my darling. I'm not gonna talk too much. So thank you, I beg sister, mommy Philo. Please, I beg you, don't do that next time. If you go to a party, someone invites you or you invite yourself, concentrate on what brings you there. The funniest part about the talk, where you can't talk, the person you come to mock, she's even more beautiful than you. Now that one I provoke me, oh. Plus the remix of the video, the remix sweet, where is sweet. It's sweet, my body. So you see her, so the person you come to mock, she was even more beautiful than you. She dressed more than you. Everything about her was mwah. She was elegant, she was pretty, she was cool. Love no get to Abio, my brother. Abio. Who there's who's yo? Who the priest? Thank you very much for that comments. So you see, concentrate on what brings you there. Okay? Not they look around, they look what people wear. Sometimes, not be all marker we know. It gets some dress where people put for body. You don't know the name. Oh. If the person tell you how much they buy the clothes. Hey. Like me, I love dress. Although I'm not really active on my media with dressing, whatever. Sometimes I just, I'm just that wearer like that. You understand? So I still like buying expensive thing. So, but it's just what I like doing. So it's not me like showing off things. So you don't have to show off for anybody, okay? Even if say a €5 dress that you buy, it don't me, sister. Honestly, not me. So I'm not here to mock on the price you used to buy. It not me. Now your body, to start with, not be even the money you take back clothes. Now how the clothes go well for your body, now it matters safe. You understand? So that is just the truth. Abio, thank you very much. Oh, like this life, before I did in a life, no, this life balance. Now people wait this and I don't balance. I pray today in Jesus' name, you and audio must go together. Who the priest? We'll go together in a positive way. I'm here. I also never provoke my daddy Gio. Now, maybe my daddy Gio not gonna verse. My sister, I hope you're back in a set of life before I bear. I'll be back next week, oh. I'll be back next week. I plan to stay here for 2 weeks. So me, I don't know until they talk. Next week now they come back. I'm still here. I still there enjoy. Me still the hotel. Go see the hotel. Go see the hotel. Now see the hotel. Now the hotel be that one. Go see. Go see. I know what I do for his house. Now I say I come outside. I still did the hotel. I'm still chilling in the hotel. You know, still catching my cruise. You see that lady, she don't even get nobody time for social media. Forget about it. Listen, I not give a fuck, oh. Out of a gun. I pay to keep my own. You understand? So you see, guys, don't give a fuck about what people think or says about you. Anybody that wants to make you feel bad, do like I do. come out and make fun of it. Yes. Come out. Come on. I tell you, you go party. Can you imagine the concombility? Hey, amen, 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 amen to that prayer. We jump pray. Amen, 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 amen. I love you, John. Thank you. Rue. This girl is stubborn. Mama, give her what she wants now, please. See another one. Oh yeah, it's okay. Don't give her, Mama. It's okay. You don't have to. Yeah, it's okay. You be saga queen. It's okay. It's for you. It's okay. Okay. Oh yeah, Mama, come and go and buy another one. Come now. Saga queen. Now the saga queen I get for us. You want Jennifer? Why you don't give her ice cream now? We are una bokana. But you know my daughter, she's right. She bought bread. You bought ice cream. You and Zuze skied. You. How many times I've warned you for this Zuze sky? You understand? You understand?
Take your ice cream.
So you see, Lolo dress was beautiful. Let me open it for my daughter. Not my hair. Any hair she give to you, so family you eat her. Eat her, not mine. Lolo dress was beautiful. Lolo was elegant. Lolo was looking good. Me, I don't know what to be that Sister Caro. Sister Caro. No. Now me fuck up. Now so sister on the top, so you say, no. Now me fuck up. I bet I leave John alone. Amen. Amen to that your prayer, chopper. Amen. My lady, do not listen to useless people on Facebook. Their husband is beating them, blue and black. Oh my God, Gifty, where's say Gifty? Thank you. God bless you. Gifty, thank you for the warm comment. My sister, please talk about something else. John is happily married. Pray for peace between John and his humble wife. Of course, we all pray for that, for real. We all pray for that. But at the same time, you know, it is what it is. There is nothing we can really do about it. Both of them know what they want. They know what is good for them. So I ain't going to talk about that. Lolo is so beautiful. Igwe wife. These guys, there's small dog that they get for these pills. Small dog where they run for all the person leg. Lao, I carry all go. Lolo dress was classic, elegant, beautiful. That woman is suffering from mad life with you, all right. Lolo dress, fee buy many dress for China store. Hey Lolo, what you go? Actually, Lolo, she's my wife, you know. Knows my father and Igbo man, and she married to Igbo husband. She's actually my wife, you know. But sometimes she's getting it wrong, though. She's getting it wrong. No, but on this one, we have to say the truth. I beg, do waiting. I beg, carry your whole pass. We are talking for fun, okay? Carry your whole pass me. We are talking for fun. Don't disturb us, please. This is my people, yeah. My people, now yours day. You muna carry now, carry go that side. Don't want you guys. You don't see who they put sugar for a mat. You know they like her. I beg, carry your go. So you see. So this is it, my people. Let's learn to talk positive about people. I beg, I like that remix video. I never watched the remix video for Aproko. I had to remix the dress. Hey, retire me, retire me, Hey, retire me, that market woman. Retire me. A market woman, yeah. A market woman. You cannot be a yeki one kind. If you look at me, look at although yeki may fit in over ya, shall fit a business woman. You tell me, she the fat trouble. She the fat trouble. I made the fat trouble, no be small. It the fat trouble. I beg to class with you, President. I like thank you very much, my darling. If you want to make him happy, man. Thank you very much, oh my God's power. You know, you see, I am in a trouble. Rita make my day with that video. I really love that video. That video was fun. Yeah. Oh wait, I hear gabu. Oh wait, some women was asking me. They were asking me about this dress. She come to say, wait, okay. Maybe if you not talk say, if like say that sister be won't do advertisement for the clothes where she they say actually, but she go until you go, you know, do aware that's you. It was a wrong way. I mean, you did it in a wrong way. You wanted to do advertisement on your products. That's not how we do it. None of us they say now. If anybody want that dress where mama wear, inbox me. Let me fish that dress out for you right now, right away. May I sell her for you? Put my money for pockets. If you like them, if you like them, you know, inbox me. I will fish that dress out immediately and I sell it to you and put my money right in my pocket. So people, please, let's start to love ourselves. Let's share love. I said it before. Oh, my battery is low now. Oh, bless, I don't stay long here. I don't even know how long. I don't stay here. You understand? So my people, thank you very much for your warm. Oh, thank you, Rita. Thank you. I appreciate you. Thank you, Rita. Thank you. So I appreciate you guys. Thank you very much for your warm message. Thank you for your warm comments. And I also mona no verse those of una way block una self. Oh, I love you too. I love you too, Rita. I love you too. 100% love. Like I love you too. Thank you very much for your love. I appreciate. You know, those of una way block una self, una do well. At least my inbox go rest. Because who are very educated, so the last if I the offer. Hell, now do it. Those of them who still call the right opportunity, give it to them. Now they are writing. There is no chance for you guys. Stop writing me, okay? Stop writing me. So I know what I want. I know what is good for me. I know what I go for. Okay? So please. Wait, congratulations. All right, guys. Thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. Have a nice day. I'm leaving you guys now. Greeting to my small Jessica. I will. Jessie, they are greeting you. Small troublemaker. Thank you very much. I will do that. I appreciate every one of you. Thank you for the love. Please keep it real with me, and I'm keeping it real with you guys, okay? I'm keeping it, and I'm trying my best. I'm really trying so hard. I'm trying to exit this single mother. I try to exit this single mother. I'm trying very hard to exit this single mother. Put me your prayer, okay? Put me your prayer so that I can able to exit this single mother of a tea. Please go back to the hotel. Now, so we supposed to do haters. They want me with the fight. We know they fight. If you not talk to us in a ragged way, we are coming to use you as a joke. Me, if you talk to me in the wrong way, I will use you joke. I will not bully nobody. I ain't coming to fight nobody. You see, I was on live. Fellow presenter like me was here to wish me well. You see, God go do for you in Jesus' name. Thank you, my love. I don't get another love today. Oh, I don't get another love today. Oh, God's power. Thank you very much. Thank you. I appreciate you. I appreciate you. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day. Bye. I'm going out with my kids, right? Let me go and ask my people where we are going to. We are still here till next week, Tuesday. Next week, Tuesday, baby. I'm going back home. I can't wait to go back home. I miss Deutschland, man. You love it, Deutschland, Igbe? I too love Deutschland. I don't miss Deutschland. Deutschland. I too go like my Deutschland. I can't wait to go back home. Hi guys, we should go. Where are we going now? Or we should just chill here. From here we'll go home. Yeah? Go and drink something now. Go and buy something to drink. Now, come on, man. Go and buy something to drink. No. You are not okay. Go and get something to drink. Okay, my darling? What do you want to drink? Or you want to go get there? Okay? Go and go something to drink. Get me something too. Yeah?
The good one is in the other place.
Ah, okay. Just go and buy your drink. It's okay. No, don't go there. It's too far. Other? It's just this place. Okay, all right, go. Okay, I'll wait. All right, guys. Thank you very much.
There's a sink over there. You can wash it.
Ah, go and wash it. Oh, yeah, come, let's go. I can't wait to go back to Germany. I miss Germany so much. I know Germany miss me too. And shout out to my girl in advance. Happy birthday to you, Sexy J. My baby girl. Hey! My baby get 30th birthday. Is going to be nice. It's going to be fun. Oh, sadly, it's going to be on the 11th of September. I can't make it to go to Esther's show because my girl, she have a birthday. So happy birthday in advance to you. Can you accept me to be your favorite lover? Mr. Lover. You know, say I not get you wahala. Hey, Mona, not worry. By His grace, God will take care of His stuff, okay? They are coming. Go and sit down. They are coming. God will take care of His shit, right? Don't worry. No, don't follow them. Stay with Mama, okay? They already go far, Mommy. Oh, sorry. You understand? Love you more. Love you. The unstoppable. Love you, my darling. Thank you very much. I appreciate you. All right, guys. Have a blessed day. I don't want to leave you guys. It's like I'm bored around here, but I just have to have a low battery. If not because of my low battery, I will stay here and talk. Because me made they cut every part of the video when I do too. They made they cut and made they carry go. I don't give a damn. I don't even give a hook. Let them take it. You understand? So thank you very much, my people. I appreciate you. Keep loving me. I'm your girl. I'm a nice girl. Because you don't know me, you are far from me. You don't know me, it's normal. You understand? But I love you all, though. Bye. See y'all very soon.